Hello everyone, this is Pendyala Pranti from BTech Part 3 Chemical Engineering. Apart from this, I am the SOCHEM branding head. As all of you know, this year's Parliament elections is going to be held on 31st of this August, and I have nominated in these elections and my ballot number is 16. So I need all of your support. So I hope you all will support and stand with me and make me win. As a representative of the Parliament, I will do my best to fulfill all the responsibilities I have taken and think about all your safety, and I will listen to all your concerns and work to address the challenges you face. As the member of the Parliament, what I would like to initiate primarily is the modification of health center by extending the timings and providing all the medical sources required so that students don't have a need to go so far and get all the facilities required in our health center. And the second thing what I would like to initiate is to bring a research park to our campus so that students can get access to research facilities and innovative projects, and they can also collaborate with researchers and industry experts. By this way, students can have hands-on experience and skill development. So in this way, students can get greater opportunities for achieving their objectives. By taking all our Parliament members' decisions and our respected professors, I would like to take this progress to the Director Sir, and I would like to make it happen. By creating a website so that all the students who are facing any problems can express in this platform without any fear and judgment, and it will be easier for us to look into it. And next, by conducting frequent surveys to gather input from students from various aspects of academics and campus life, and by organizing a meetings so that students can share their concerns, ideas and feedback. Ensuring that class representatives from various departments are also part of the decision making process, and listening attentively to students' concerns, asking clarifying questions and responding to their feedback so that we can maintain transparency in this decision making process. By regular tracking and share progress towards conflicts and addressing setbacks, and also by listening to all our Parliament members, VP and AVP, and taking their decisions, and also maintaining a documented processes and procedures ensuring transparency and continuity. The initiatives I would like to bring in the hostel are installation of washing machines in the hostel, and regular servicing of water coolers, and regular maintenance of washrooms, and initiating monthly mosquito fogging, and providing good and tasty food, and also maintain hygiene in the mess, improving hot water geysers and lift maintenance, and ensuring clean surroundings around the hostel and in the campus, improving safety measurements for girls, and speed up the process of installation of air conditioners and modification of cafeteria and proper lighting across all roads of the campus, and ensuring smooth operation of events with appropriate security measures, and providing strong support for any academic concerns. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So I hope all will come forward on 31st of this month and make the right choice. Let's support together and be united. And also I wish all the nominated students for their successful winnings. Thank you.